How you doing, guys? Of course, we just had the recent Worldwide Developers Conference 2013, and I'll be doing some videos on it. And this one's going to be on the new Mac Pro. And I'm a Mac Pro user. I'm making this video on a Mac Pro right now, 2009 series Mac Pro. So a lot of professionals have been waiting for the new one to come out. And my initial impressions, I was both horrified what I seen, and yet on another realm blown away with the engineering aspects of it. And one of the first big things I've noticed was the lack of upgradability, expandability of this new Mac Pro. The only thing that can be upgraded or replaced is the memory and also the SSD storage. You can't utilize any mechanical hard drives, which for most people is not going to be a problem. They want SSD anyway. No built-in PCIe slots. To expand it any more than it is right now, you're going to have to either utilize USB 3.0 or Lightning, or I can't remember if it's Lightning or Thunder ports or something like that, expanded that way. Now it does utilize some very powerful workstation graphics, which is going to be the AMD Fire Pro GPUs. Now, I'm not sure the amount of video memory. I think it was 6 gigabytes of video memory. I think that's per card. The only thing about that is it's soldered in. You can't replace it. You can't put new ones in there. And for some people, I actually prefer NVIDIA graphic cards because it utilizes CUDA for parallel GPU processing, which some software... some specific software can only utilize NVIDIA for more advanced software usages, such as Adobe Premiere Pro just uses CUDA, and so that's a big negative. Now, after I got past the big shock of you're not able to expand or upgrade without having to have a bunch of wires coming off of it into external devices, I started looking into how it was built and designed inside, and that I was actually blown away on many aspects of it. And for one thing, it does utilize the basic body is actually a single unified heatsink. And all the components go into the center of this heatsink and taken out by a single fan at the very top. To me, this cylinder type configuration is the most innovative thing I've seen in quite a while. And another thing that I liked about it was once you took the outer casing off, everything was accessible right there. Of course, even though there's only 2 components you can really, remove and replace. Now, so my initial assessments without just seeing it, today, it just shown for the first time today, is this is not really going to be for everybody, at least right now. For some people, it's going to really be great. For other people, not as much. For the existing Mac Pro users right now that use it professionally, even if they want to use this new Mac Pro, there's going to be a big transition. A lot of their specific PCI expansion cards that they use in there now, you're going to have to use it externally through Thunderbolt or the Lightning cable or whatever, to expand into external PCI slots, or even switch it out to something else. So there's going to be a big transition. Now, for the people where I could see it being really useful is because it's very highly portable. It's actually less than 10 inches high and about around 6 inches in diameter. It's going to have a high power to size and weight ratio. So I could see people taking this to a remote field location and set up a video editing station very quickly and some other things. So I'm really mixed on this one. I don't see going to it myself. Possibly, but I also broadcast from the same machine I used to video edit, so I'd have to totally change some of the things that I use. I actually use two video capture cards, the Blackmagic Extreme, I believe Pro. I can't remember the two HDMI inputs. I'd actually have to switch that out with something else. I don't see that in the foreseeable future. So I don't know. Give me your thoughts on this new Mac Pro. Yay or nay or whatever.